We will start with magic loop or magic circle. Six single crochets. Slip stitch to the first stitch, chain 2. This goes as a part of double crochet cluster. 2 unfinished double crochets in the same space. This is your first cluster. Chain 3, 3 double crochet cluster in the next space. Chain 3, three double crochet cluster in the next stitch, chain 3, and I need 3 more clusters like this. Chain 3 and 1 slip stitch in the first stitch, just making chain 1, single crochet in the same space. This is the stitch on top of double crochet cluster, and then I'm making 3 double crochet in a chain 3 space, chain 2, 3 double crochets in the same space, one single crochet in the next stitch right on top of this double crochet cluster, and repeat 3 double crochets in chain 3 space, chain 2, and 3 double crochets in the same space. Single crochet in double crochet cluster. This is looking great. Repeat the pattern, 3 double crochets, chain 2 3 double crochets, and single crochet in the next stitch. I think you can place single crochet either there or in this stitch. This is kind of also could be considered as part of double crochet cluster. Doesn't really matter which one of that. Nobody will say you are doing that wrong. I hope nobody will. If they do, just don't worry about it. You are doing great. Chain 2. The yarn splits. I will do that chain 2 better. And repeat 3 double crochets and single crochet in the next stitch, and this will be the pattern for this round. I can pause the camera and finish my rounds. I need 2 more the same pattern in those places. And now we've got our little pretty flower. Let's turn it into a snowflake. Finishing this round with slip stitch in single crochet, making 3 slip stitches on top of those double crochets, and I will be working back loop. Now we are by the space of chain 2. We will be making some points. Chain 3 single crochet, chain 4 single crochet, chain 3 single crochet in the same space. Instead of single crochet you want to make slip stitch. That's absolutely fine, but single crochet is easier for lots of people, so that's again optional. Now I want to make 3 slip stitches, back loop only again, front post single crochet. I'm going from the front of this single crochet around it, pick the yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull it through. This is front post single crochet. It gives a little texture to this little snowflake. 3 slip stitches again on top of those 3 stitches. Sometimes this first stitch is hiding, so you can find it or you can just skip it. It will not affect it, I'm sure. If you feel you just can't dig through into that first stitch, just don't worry about it. Chain 3 single crochet, chain 4, I've made 4 single crochet. I believe by chaining 4 in the second point will give it a slightly better look. Chain 3 and single crochet again. Now we are going again to find this first stitch and make a slip stitch, back loop only again. I'm going to make 3 slip stitches, front post single crochet, three slip stitches again. That is hiding, hope you can see it. So I found it. If you can't find it, that's fine, don't worry about it. Chain 3, single crochet, chain 4, single crochet, chain 3 and single crochet. Again find that first stitch. If you skip it, that's fine. So 2 more slip stitches, front post single crochet. Easy peasy pattern, but it gives some dimension to this little snowflake, and by placing slip stitch in back loop only, it gives some the edge of this snowflake that you don't need to block it. It holds it steady and hold it in shape. That's what we want, isn't it? Hope you agree with me. I hope you like this pattern. This is the smallest snowflake, and I've got another pattern for other sizes snowflake. This one is larger, and I'm planning to create even larger size of this snowflake, as you can see, and it can make a very nice present for someone, or we can make it in the tablecloth to connect them all together nicely. Small one, large one, you name it. We can really create something beautiful out of this. Let's finish this snowflake. I will show you how to finish it, and I want to show you how to make invisible finish of this snowflake. There we go. I have made last front post single crochet. Cut the yarn, pull out the stitch, just like that. We can't leave our stitch like that because it goes undone, not finished. So this is what we do. We skip this first stitch and insert your hook in the next one. Take this tail and pull it through. We have created front loop of the next stitch, and now we take the same and going back to this stitch. So we need to take this end through this stitch. We're going from the wrong side into this stitch and feeding this end through. This is what we've made. Looks seamless, looks professional, looks nice. This is what we do when we want to finish something nicely. If you don't bother, we usually make chain 1 and cut the yarn, but this way is much better. Now we need to tidy our ends, and this is what we do. We just have to go between the stitches, around the stitches, and feed this tail through. You can use a darning needle or you can use your hook. Sometimes you can catch the other yarn when you do this, don't worry. You can see this is the one you need to take out. That's why lots of people use darning needles, that this doesn't happen with the hook. One end is done, we can cut it, and I will do exactly the same with the other end, just going around.